Please, go out with me.
Huh? No, sorry, I can't.
Like this, we're together forever, right?
Handcuffs? I saw Yui-chan get hit on by a college student yesterday. Seriously? Wow, she's popular even outside of school.
Morning.
Yui-chan, good morning! She has a smile of a goddess! Now that I've seen that, I can do my best today too. Woohoo! They're hopeless as usual. Oh crap, our eyes met. My name is Keiichi Sato. All the guys here love the most popular girl in school, Yui Shinonome. I thought that she's a perfect girl who lives in a different world from me, an introvert, but...
Sato-kun.
Yes? Shinonome-san!
I love you, so please go out with me.
Huh? Me?
I'm talking to you, Sato Keiichi-kun.
Excuse me? What? Why me?
Because I love you. What else is there?
I need to calm down. You know what'll happen if an introvert loser like me went out with the most popular girl in school, right? I have less than a year left in high school, and I just only want to spend it in peace. I'm sorry. I can't.
What?
Sorry, and then see ya. What the hell was that? Shinonome-san likes me. Of course not. You never know what'll happen in life. And the next day, after I was thinking that...
I still can't give up on you. Will you go out with me?
No way! And at another time.
Oh, there you are, Sato-kun. I seriously love you.
Excuse me? I'm sorry.
I love you so much, you know. I seriously really love you.
Please, give me a break!
I won't ever let you go, Sato-kun.
Not knowing what Shinonome-san was thinking, the weekend came and I went home to my parents' house, away from where I was living. Hey, Mom.
What is it?
Is it possible that a girl like her could fall in love with me?
Did you hit your head or something?
Nope, there's no way.
You'd better face reality and take a look in the mirror, you know.
Right. They're saying too much, though. Maybe she's just having fun seeing me react that way? Maybe the moment I accept her confession, people will come out from around me and laugh at me like it's a prank or something. Either way, it's almost summer vacation, and she won't even think about me since we won't get to see each other anyways.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
I've decided to go on a trip with your dad during summer vacation.
Just the two of you.
That's right. So you don't have to come back home here.
Okay, I understand. And the summer vacation came. I'm bored. Maybe I'll look for a part-time job. I wonder if it's someone who's recruiting a new member or something. No, thank you. I mean, what?
Hello, Sato-kun.
Shinonome-san!
I'm sorry for making you feel lonely.
What?
Phew, it's so hot. Let me have some tea, please.
Huh? Wait, what?
Phew, I feel alive now.
She's too bright. Just by having the most popular girl in here, my house feels completely different. This is not good. I have to have her go home soon. Well, now that you've had your tea, I think it's time.
Sato-kun, you go to our high school and live away from your parents, right?
What? Yes, that's right.
You're not going home for the summer vacation? It must be hard for you, cooking and...
I can cook a little bit, and I'm thinking of staying here this year.
Well then, I'll have to help you out.
Huh?
Now like this, you won't be able to get away from me.
What? Huh?
Now, we'll be together forever, right?
Handcuffs? Wait, no, what does this mean?
What do you mean? It's what it is, you know. I want to stay connected to you, Sato-kun.
Oh, stop it. You're just joking around.
No, I'm serious. But Sato-kun, you never say yes when I confess my feelings to you, right?
That's because...
It's fine, I know.
What?
Sato-kun, you're just embarrassed to tell me how you really feel, right?
Excuse me?
That's why I have to be a little aggressive like this.
Wait a minute. About you, Shinonome-san, I really don't...
What did you say?
She's scary! But that doesn't mean you should handcuff me.
It's not enough. Your feelings are not enough for me, Sato-kun.
I'm not really sure what you're talking about.
If we spend the whole summer vacation together like this, you'll love me even more and more. So just brace yourself for that, okay?
Seriously? Goodbye to my peaceful summer vacation. And so, halfway through our strange life together began. How are we supposed to eat?
Don't worry about it. Here, say ah.
Huh? No.
What's wrong? It's easier to eat this way, right? Come on, hurry up. You're too cute, too cute, too cute. I'm so happy to be able to spend time with you like this, Sato-kun.
I don't know what to say.
Can you feed me too?
Okay. Thanks for the meal.
Thank you for the meal. Now, after washing the dishes, we're going to take a bath.
You will take this off for the bath, right?
Why should I?
It's bad if we go in together like this, though.
Oh, you don't have to be shy. I mean, I don't mind, you know. Or what? Are you planning to run away?
I won't run away, so...
But no. How about this? Instead of taking off the handcuffs, we'll get in bath together in our swimsuits.
Seriously?
In the toilet, I've got an eye mask and earplugs.
You're so thorough, aren't you?
Wherever we go, we're together forever.
Phew, I managed to get through it. I'm glad I was just able to imagine it as a pool lesson for PE.
Phew, that felt good, huh? Thanks for drying my hair too.
Yeah, you know.
Hmm?
Well, when we go to sleep.
We'll be together, you know.
Right. I've cleared the most difficult part, the bath, so it'll be okay to sleep together. It'll be fine. I mean, no way! She's too close. If I move even a little bit, we're going to bump into each other. I mean, I've never been this close to a girl before. Can she at least be a bit more away?
Ah, you just touched my thigh, didn't you?
Huh? No,
I understand how you feel, but both of us need to grow up a bit more for that kind of thing. Okay?
I didn't mean it like that. I'm sorry. My HP level is 0. I couldn't sleep at all. Whoa! You scared me.
Morning!
Morning.
Today is the summer study group, you know?
Study group, huh?
I saw that you submitted your participation form, so I decided to participate too.
What?
Because you gave me the form to submit it, right, Sato-kun?
Oh, yeah, but that's because it's a rule that the person at the back of the line has to collect them.
My gosh, you're being so shy. I know you were indirectly telling me to go to the study group together.
Indirectly telling you? Crap, I'm late!
Let's hurry!
Wouldn't it be bad to be handcuffed outside? But it's useless to say such a thing to her, who'd even take baths with me.
You're right.
Right? I mean, what?
Let's leave the handcuffs off when we're outside.
Really? Huh?
If you wanted to hold hands, why didn't you just say so from the beginning?
What?
What? You don't want to?
No. Wow, I mean, maybe we look like a couple to people around us.
That's the way you like it, huh?
Huh? No, it's not that.
You're with me, but you look at other girls, huh?
No.
Are the other girls cute too? I can tell when you're looking at other girls, okay? Because I'm always looking at you. I wish that you would only see me.
I won't see other girls. I'll stop, so don't say such things like that.
That's a promise, okay?
Okay. How could this happen?
Why is Sato with Yui-chan? They just happened to meet there, right?
No, but look at Yui-chan's hands. Ugh. As expected, I gave her consent to hold hands at school, but this doesn't change much, and the other people watching us is just too much. Yui-chan, what's the meaning of this?
Huh?
It can't be that you guys are going out. There's no way.
I guess you've already found out, huh?
Huh?
Please, be happy for us, okay?
Ugh. Okay. We're not going out.
What did you say? I can't really hear you. I need you to say it loudly.
Well...
What? Can't I tell everyone? Is there something wrong with that? I'm trying so hard to make you like me more and more. But you say things like that, and here I'm thinking that I want to give you my eyes, my ears, my mouth, my body, everything. Literally everything. And you say such a cold thing like that?
Hold it right there! I need to go to the bathroom, I think.
Okay, I understand.
I haven't had an alone time in a while. I never thought Shinonome-san was such a scary person. Shinonome-san's in front of the bathroom. Maybe I can slip out the window while I still can?
Sato-kun!
Ah!
Don't tell me you were trying to escape just now.
What? No way! I just thought it was a little hot.
I see. You just wanted to open the window and see me, right?
That kind of life lasted for a week, and I was getting a bit tired of it. Shinonome-san is still happily taking care of me as usual. The key is in Shinonome-san's apron pocket. I've gotta get it somehow.
Sato-kun?
Yes?
What's wrong? Spacing out like that?
Oh, I was thinking I wanted to sleep.
Then let's sleep early today.
Okay. Whoa! I'm sorry.
You scared me.
You're all messy now. Let me put it on the hanger.
Sato-kun, you're so sweet. Thanks.
Shinonome-san. All right, she's totally asleep. I got it! Crap, I need to hurry. This is great. I've been tied up for a week, so I never knew freedom could be so great like this. I wonder what'll happen when Shinonome-san wakes up. No, I haven't done anything wrong. I'll spend the night here for now. That's what I thought, but the next morning... Huh? Shinonome-san! I wonder if she went home. She gave up, huh? Thank goodness! Now I'm free!
Sato-kun! My gosh! Good night.
I'm free! I haven't heard anything from her. I guess I really shouldn't have done it this way, huh? I mean, she's the one who really loves me. I have to go apologize. Huh?
Oh, good morning. Were you welcoming me?
Shinonome-san? Why, I mean, your hair...
Sato-kun, you disappeared on your own, so...
Huh?
I guess you got sad because it seemed like I didn't love you enough.
What do you mean?
So, I changed my hair to the one you prefer, Sato-kun. How is it?
What do you mean, how is it?
Am I cute? I'm cute, right? How can I not be cute if I'm closer to your taste?
No, wait. When did I say I like Gyaru-type girls?
You saw the Garu the other day, right?
Oh, I was just watching, thinking how flirty they were being with each other.
Then, does that mean I did something pointless?
Huh? No, I think it suits you.
What's the point if you don't like it, Sato-kun?
Well, it's cute, but I like it better how it was.
Really?
Yeah.
You like it?
Huh?
That's the first time you've ever said you like me.
That's not what I meant. Huh?
Now, you can't run away anymore.
Seriously. And so, I spent the entire summer vacation handcuffed to Shinonome-san. Then came the last day of summer vacation. I've gotten used to living being handcuffed to her. It's amazing how adaptable we humans are.
Hey, Keiichi-kun.
School
starts tomorrow, but should we just go like this?
That's not possible.
Just thinking about other girls coming near you makes my hands tremble and I won't be able to breathe properly, and it makes me want to lock you up like this.
Well, in the first place, even if I didn't have this, I wouldn't run away anymore.
Huh?
Actually, I wouldn't let you get away. I want to be with you all the time. Shinonome-san, no. Yui-chan, I love you.
Really?
Really.
I'm so happy. I've always really loved you, Keiichi-kun.
When we've never even talked that much before?
Well, even though I didn't like it being surrounded by the guys, Keiichi-kun, you helped me out a few times, didn't you?
Huh? Let's go hang out, Yui-chan. No, she's hanging out with me today. Shinonome-san, the teacher wants to see you.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Oh yeah, I guess that did happen, huh?
You seemed like you were about to say, not to touch my girl, Yui.
I wasn't thinking that at all, but I guess it's better not to say that.
From now on, look only at me and don't ever let me go. Okay?
Don't worry, I'll never let you go. I love you. I will love her as much as I can so that I can respond to her deep love. It was a summer night when I made that decision to myself.